The lunge lift is a multi-joint lift, primarily involving muscles in the lower body. The lunge lift may be used when picking up objects such as bags of fertilizer, uneven loads, or objects that may need to be manipulated into a better position. From a standing position, place one foot to the side of the object and tighten your abdominal and shoulder muscles. Our subject is keeping the back straight and shoulders back to ensure a neutral spine. At the bottom of the lift, the front thigh is parallel to the ground. The back knee points towards the floor or is resting on the floor, and your weight is evenly distributed between both legs. Place the object in front of the back knee, get a good grip, and drive up through the legs and buttocks simultaneously, pushing off the back leg and the front leg. Ensure you keep your back straight. It's too easy to put too much stress on the knees when you lunge too far forwards. Focus on taking the body down as you lunge rather than taking it forward.